In the quiet corners of our world, a silent drama unfolds. Plants that hunt. These are carnivorous plants, nature's botanical predators, exquisitely evolved to lure, capture, and digest their prey. Look closer, their beauty is a mask for lethal design. In this deceptive world, intricate traps and alluring promises await the unwary. For millions of years, these silent stalkers have perfected their craft, rivaling the most efficient animal hunters. Prepare to witness the astonishing ingenuity of nature's silent hunters. Here it is, the Venus flytrap, arguably the most famous and fascinating of all botanical hunters, a true icon of the carnivorous plant world. Each leaf is a masterpiece of natural design, ingeniously split into two hinged lobes. These lobes form a gaping maw, a deceptive invitation to unsuspecting insects. The edges are fringed with stiff, interlocking cilia, resembling the menacing teeth of a steel trap, ensuring no easy escape. On the inner surface of each lobe, three tiny hair-like structures act as the plant's incredibly sensitive trigger sensors. The trap lies patiently open, basking in the warmth of the sun and offering a tempting hint of sweet, sugary nectar. An inquisitive fly, irresistibly drawn by the alluring scent, confidently lands and begins to explore the reddish, inviting interior of the trap. It inadvertently brushes against a trigger hair. Nothing happens immediately. The plant cleverly waits, conserving energy, for a crucial second touch. Within a mere 20 seconds, the unsuspecting fly touches another hair. This confirms the presence of prey and acts as the definitive signal. A silent, electrical impulse surges through the leaf's tissues. In less than 1/10 of a second, faster than the blink of an eye, the trap violently snaps shut. The interlocking cilia rapidly mesh together, forming an inescapable prison, effectively imprisoning the fly within a verdant living cage. The fly's desperate struggles only serve to seal its fate, further stimulating the trap and causing it to close even tighter, ensuring no escape. Now, the sealed trap transforms into an external stomach, a biological pressure cooker. Specialized glands begin to secrete powerful digestive enzymes. These potent fluids work tirelessly to break down the insect's body, slowly releasing the precious nutrients locked within. The digestion process takes several days. When it's finally complete, the leaf slowly reopens, revealing only the empty skeletal husk of its former prey. The ingenious trap is now reset, patiently awaiting its next unsuspecting visitor to wander into its deadly embrace. The Venus flytrap stands as a testament to evolutionary adaptation, a patient and remarkably energy-efficient predator, perfectly evolved for precision hunting. Its lightning-fast jaws and intricate trapping mechanism are a true marvel of natural engineering and biomechanics. In a challenging world of scarcity and competition, it has become a master of opportunity, seizing every chance for sustenance. The hunter waits, silent, still, and deadly. Deep within the swamp, where sunlight filters through the dense canopy, another hunter employs a different strategy. It's a strategy of stillness and allurement. The pitcher plant, a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its challenging environment. It does not snap or grab with lightning speed. Its method is passive deception, a subtle game of attraction and entrapment. A beautiful, deadly pitfall, a trap disguised as a welcoming haven. What looks like a flower, with its vibrant hues and delicate form, is actually a modified leaf, meticulously rolled into a tube or pitcher, a vessel of doom. These pitchers lure unsuspecting insects with bright colors, a visual feast that promises sustenance, and sweet nectar, an irresistible treat for the swamp's tiny inhabitants. An ant, diligently foraging for food, discovers the tempting rim, glistening with sugary promise, and eagerly drinks the nectar, unaware of the danger that lurks just below. The nectar is intoxicating, subtly impairing the ant's coordination, clouding its senses. As it ventures further, drawn by the allure of more nectar, the surface becomes treacherously slick. The ant loses its footing, slips and tumbles helplessly into the pitcher. At the bottom, a stagnant pool of digestive fluid awaits, a watery grave for the unwary. The walls are waxy and lined with a dense array of downward-pointing hairs. Escape is utterly impossible, a cruel and inescapable reality. The ant drowns, its struggles futile, and the plant begins to digest its body, slowly absorbing vital nutrients. Over the course of days, the pitcher plant slowly and methodically consumes its prey, breaking it down into its essential components. This liquid meal sustains the plant, providing the nourishment it needs to thrive in the nutrient-poor soil of the swamp. The pitcher plant is a master of passive hunting, a testament to the power of adaptation and natural selection. A beautiful flower with a deadly secret, a wolf in sheep's clothing in the plant kingdom. Its deceptive elegance hides a ruthless efficiency, a survival strategy honed over millennia. Across the bog, another trap glistens, the sundew. Its leaves are covered in tentacles tipped with sticky mucilage, resembling morning dew. To a small insect, it looks like a sweet drop of nectar. A midge lands, seeking a drink, and is instantly ensnared. The more it struggles, the more tentacles bend in, securing the prey. Slowly, the leaf curls around the insect, enveloping it. Glands switch from producing glue to secreting digestive enzymes. Digestion is slow, taking days as the sundew absorbs nutrients. Once finished, the leaf uncurls, leaving behind an empty exoskeleton. The sundew is a master of adhesion, using mimicry and glue to thrive where few others can. Its beauty is its weapon. Why would a plant resort to such a macabre strategy? The answer lies in the ground beneath them, nutrient-poor, acidic, and inhospitable. In these soils, nitrogen and phosphorus are scarce, locking away vital nutrients. Most plants would perish, but these evolved a new solution: carnivory. Sticky leaves that trapped insects gave a crucial advantage. Over generations, these traits intensified, leading to the diversity of traps we see today. Carnivory was not a choice, but a necessity, a brilliant solution to a life-or-death problem. These plants colonized niches where no ordinary plant could survive. Their hunger for flesh is a testament to nature's ingenuity. In these harsh and unforgiving landscapes, carnivorous plants are not just survivors. They are more than that. They are kings, ruling their own green kingdoms. By sourcing vital nutrients from insects, they cleverly bypass the limitations of poor soil. They flourish where others fail to thrive, forming glistening carpets that completely dominate the surrounding landscape. Pitcher plants even create tiny, self-contained aquatic worlds within their leaves, home to a variety of specialized organisms. These remarkable plants are ecosystem engineers, actively shaping intricate food webs and playing a key role in controlling insect populations. Their very presence is a telling sign of pristine, unpolluted wetlands. Sensitive to pollution, they stand as silent guardians of these fragile habitats. When you see thriving carnivorous plants, you witness a delicate ecological balance, forged slowly and deliberately over millennia. They are without a doubt the very heartbeat of their unique world. Our journey into the world of carnivorous plants comes to a close. We've seen the snap of the flytrap, the allure of the pitcher, and the glistening sundew. These plants challenge our preconceptions, blurring the line between flora and fauna. Their existence is a lesson in adaptation and innovation. They turn disadvantage into strength, mastering a new domain. Yet much remains mysterious: their chemical signals, genetics, and ecological roles. Each discovery leads to more questions, drawing us deeper into their world. Next time you walk through a quiet, damp place, look closer. You may be in the presence of silent hunters. Nature is full of surprises, and even the most unassuming green can hide a thrilling drama. The silent hunt continues, a timeless spectacle of survival. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and share for more fascinating nature stories.